Let's have some fun and transform this very dated cabinet using paint and transfers. First of all, when I opened it, I found a ton of light bulbs, which was quite frankly a little bit of a score. Step was to remove the very dated hardware, and after I did that, I used the Dixie Bell sanding sponge and quickly went over the whole piece to give it a good scuff sand. I then wiped it down and applied the first of 2 coats of chalk mineral paint in the color Sawmill Gravy. Made a mistake and initially painted the interior pink, and then I went back with the color Kudzu, which is this really pretty green, for the interior. After the paint dried, the next step was to apply the Magnolia Garden transfers onto the piece. Now I have 2 doors, obviously, so this took some time for me to cut the transfers out and play around with them before adhering, so I knew exactly how each door would look against the other. Basically, you'll see at the end, they really have to complement one another. So it does take some time to, fiddle around with it and get it placed in the right direction, just to make it the right kind of feel that you want for your piece. Now, as you can see here, I am using the little stick, and you do that to adhere the transfer to the piece. I have a whole video on how to apply transfers in my playlist. The finishing touch was this sweet butterfly. I just love how it's floating above there, and once I applied that, the transfers were done. I then took my chip brush and I dry brushed some white paint onto the edges and around the detail of the paneling, just to give it a little bit more, depth. And here I am adding Dixie Bell clear wax, and then I went back and I added the dark wax again into the crevices just to give it some depth, and here you can see the result. Oh, the little bit of gold gilding wax was also applied. There's the before and here's the after. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and if you have, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe.